Greenfield to help Mandaluyong Fencing Club?
Well, this Greenfield district is a almost like health and wellness district. So many countless activities for sports, fitness, countless, from the paddle courts, from the free yoga that we're doing. We have 6 p.m., 7 p.m. at night, countless of people running around. There's this obstacle central that we have, the climb central, the biggest rock climbing in the country. Just countless of activities, and this fencing is an ideal fit to the whole component of the integral component of the district for health and wellness. That's the reason why we invited the fencing club to put up the Mandaluyong Fencing Club to put up a facility here in the district.
Finally, they have their home.
Indeed. The idea is to have a home for the city, for all the city constituents, for the city to play, and they'll be offering a lot of free classes as well for everyone. So it all works out for everyone.
Many years ago, before Quezon City opened up a fencing clubs somewhere it's the Councilor Sep Wico, and he suddenly suddenly produced a name in Katantan.
Sorry.
They had Quezon City before had a fencing program that suddenly produced an Olympian like San Katantan.
Oh.
Hopefully,
Without doubt.
with this grassroots program, meron kayo ma-produce.
Indeed. It's all about the grassroots and making sports accessible to everyone. And without doubt, we will produce our own Olympian from the Mandaluyong City Fencing Club.
Kasi bigla na sumulpot yung sa Quezon City. Hindi nila inaasahan susulpot yun.
Yeah, talaga. Ito na yan. Ito na yan from Mandaluyong. This will be their new home.
Yes. So for how many fencers do you are in here? Initially.
Fencers?
How many fencers are?
The Mandaluyong Fencing Club will have right now more close to 50 to 100 already. So I'm not sure the exact number.
Okay.
Sila yan.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Attorney Duan, thank you so much for having us here on Sports Corner PH. Tell us more about this groundbreaking partnership between the Greenfield District and of course yung Mandaluyong Fencing Club, which helps boost the grassroots program niya dito sa inyong lugar.
It's the grassroots program in any sport is a critical component for the success of the sports and the athletes in growing for the training for future Olympians in the city of Mandaluyong, and this is our opportunity to help out the fencing community and the fencing club of Mandaluyong in the city to provide that venue for the future Olympians of our city.
Okay, what about the importance and benefits of having these facilities to help speed up and of course to discover all athletes from different sports to have potential to play in local and national and even international competitions?
Yeah, again, I said this whole district is geared and positioned for health and wellness. This fencing community, this fencing club will provide that opportunity for everyone, and it will provide the opportunity for the grassroots, for the community, for the children in our area to, yeah, for the children in the grassroots level to compete and become better at the sports that they're doing.
Lastly, you mentioned about ago some infrastructure being developed in the grassroots district when it comes to health, wellness, and of course towards sports. So what do you look forward right now to have more significant projects related to sports in this community?
Yeah, as you're well aware here, there's this huge facility of the Game Deal Group putting 2 NBA standard indoor basketball courts in the area. You see all the Philippine team volleyball players and basketball players. They're all here competing and practicing in this amazing facility. Beside it, you have that play paddle, the first indoor facility for paddle courts in in the whole Philippines. You have free yogas on Sunday. We have, we have Obstacle Central. It's an obstacle course within the area. Climb Central for the biggest rock climbing area in the country. Now we have the fencing. We have free taekwondo, free fencing. It's really an area where health and wellness is an integral part of the whole development.
All right, your final message to all our followers of Sports Corner PH to visit Greenfield District.
Yeah. For all the sports enthusiasts or would-be sports enthusiasts, and even parents who want to encourage their children to participate in sports as they so should. It's really a great opportunity. Please come over to the Greenfield District. Take a look at the countless things that we're doing here for health and wellness.
All right, thank you so much, Attorney Duan, and all the best.
Thank you.